Hello everyone. In this lesson, we're going to focus on rounding decimal numbers to the given significant figures. Let's see how we can round 0.26 to one significant figure. Now, firstly, I'm going to construct the number 0.26 using the counters. So I'm going to start with 0.1 and again 0.1. So that gives 0.1 plus 0.1, which gives us 0.2. And I need 0.06, which is the second decimal place. So I'm going to use 0.01 twice, 3 times, 4, 5, and 6. Now here we go. So we need to round 0.26 to one significant figure. Now, as you can notice, these two adds up to make 0.2. All the blue counters will add up to make 0.06. They both adds up to make 0.26. We are asked to round it to one significant figure. As you can see, 0.1, the first decimal place, or the tenths, is the first significant figure. So the tenths are the first significant figure. So I'm going to write that. So that's N T H. So the tenths would be the first significant figure. I'm going to use a number line which is going up in tenths. So here it starts with 0.2, because 0.1 plus 0.1 will give you 0.2. So I'm going to go to 0.2, and we know what's in between would be. What's in between would be, which would be 0.25. So I'm going to make a rough sketch of a number line based on the given significant figure. So that's 0.2, and the end value is 0.3. I meant the next one. The one in between is 0.25. We know 0.26 is just after 0.25. That's where 0.26 would be, and that's closer to 0.3. Hence, 0.26 to one significant figure is 0.3. It's important that you use the number line, a rough sketch of it, to identify the rounded value. Now let's look at another example. Here we need to round 0.342 to two significant figure. So first I'm going to use the counters to construct the number 0.342. So I'm going to start with 0.1 once, twice, and 3 times, which gives me 0.3. Now I need 0.04. So I'm going to use the blue counter, 0.1 once, twice, 3 times, and the final one the 4th time. So with this would give us, all the blue counters would give us 0.04. Now we need the 2, which is 0.002. So I would have 0.001 and 0.001 again to get. If you add them, this would be 0.3. The total of the blue counters would be 0.04. The total of the orange one would be 0.002. Adding all of them would give us 0.342. Rub this bit. Now, notice they asked us to round it to two significant figure. As the first significant figure, which is the tens, the second significant figure, which is the hundreds. So I'm going to choose the hundreds. So the number line would be, if I add them to 0.3 and 0.04, should give us 0.34. That's the starting point of a number line. Now I have a rough sketch of the number line. So I'm going to start with 0.34. To place it. Next, we're going up in 0.01. So the next value would be 0.35. So the next value would be 0.35. We know what's in between is 0.345 and 0.342. 0.342 would be closer to 0.34 than to 0.35. Hence 0.342 to two significant figure is 0.34. Using these examples, please complete the attached worksheet. Ensure you create a rough sketch of the number line, and you can draw some of the counters yourself to help solving the questions.